Let's see what I can find in the Dollar Tree to feed my family of 4.
Dollar Tree steak, let's go. I'm a certified beast.
So I was challenged to make something from Dollar Tree, and I came up with this apple crumble cobbler pie.
Dollar Tree is the place to be right about now for these budget meals. Take a look at this video.
Let's see what I can find in the Dollar Tree to feed my family of 4. Come on. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this was a little bit of a challenge, but I found this crunchy taco hamburger helper. Now, the box said we can use black beans instead of hamburger helper, so let's grab these Margaret Homes and see what it's given. I also grabbed some shredded cheese and some corn. Now, I only paid $5 plus tax for all of this. I might be hitting up the Dollar Tree more often. Now, this is gonna be real quick and easy, especially because we're not using any ground beef, so we don't have to brown no meat. Now, you will need 1 cup of milk, so make sure you got that. And then you just add everything into a skillet. I love a one-pot meal. It's so quick, so easy. Once you got everything added in, you bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, then you want to turn it down and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now, if you're one of my supporters, let me know in the comments what's different about this cooking video than my other cooking videos. I'm gonna give you a hint. It's something that I'm using. But anyways, the back of the box says that you can add some salsa. I didn't have any salsa, so I'm using diced tomatoes. And y'all, I was gonna fry that corn, but I got tired, so I said might as well just throw it all in together. It's all going to the same spot at the end of the day. Now, this is what it's given. It did come with some Frito chips to put on top. I didn't want to use that. I just wanted to add some shredded cheese.
I would have used those.
Now, let me know in the comments what you think about this quick and easy Dollar Tree meal, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
$5. $5 feeding a family of 4 from the Dollar Tree. I know I probably would have added those little crunchy tortilla chips on top for some crunch, but that looks like some type of stew. Since she didn't use the hamburger or ground turkey. Not too bad. And she added some veggies. $5. Can't beat it. Here's another from Dollar Tree. So the theme is Dollar Tree is the place to be. If you need some budget meals, you gonna go over there and get yourself a deal. Right?
Dollar Tree steak, let's go. I'm a certified beast.
Bone beef ribeye. What we're gonna get? We're gonna buy all of what? Chipotle jasmine rice, salsa. 72. Can I get your employee discount? Come on, cousin.
The steaks is already seasoned. You know, black folk, we don't trust the already seasoned because I don't see no seasoning, real seasoning to these bad boys.
Marinade.
Now I'm cooking these well done because I'm not medium, no Dollar Tree steak. I'm gonna be medium in the morgue.
You said in the morgue.
Let that burnt from the bottom of the pan go to waste. There's so much flavor. Oh,
that looks good.
this come from growing up poor though. When you grow,
He said this come from growing up poor. I have another video. Make sure you go check out my struggle meal videos. I have 2 of them. 1, 2. Check them out. But his meal looked pretty good. It looked like he presented it like it was a restaurant. But Dollar Tree is where he got it from. It's looking like Dollar Tree stock is on the rise because all these budget-friendly recipes, people are going grocery shopping in the Dollar Tree. I need to look at their prices. I'm sure that price of their stock is pretty high, but they're going to be making some money. The way inflation is on the rise and them grocery prices on the rise. Are you going to Dollar Tree soon? Let me know. Are you going to Dollar Tree? Now here's another meal from the Dollar Tree. Take a look at this. Did you hear my son? If you did, if you didn't. I did.
So I was challenged to make something from Dollar Tree, and I came up with this apple crumble cobbler pie.
Oh.
So I only got 4 items, so it should have cost me $4, but she tried.
hold up.
I am a dessert lover. I have a sweet tooth. Yes. We got to throw in some dessert. Take a look at this now. Why did I stop it? I don't know. Got too excited when I saw that apple crumb. What about you? You like desserts?
It should have cost me $4, but she charged me $5. I didn't know until I got home. I was tight. Anyway, I added the apple pie filling to the bowl. I added some cinnamon and some allspice, a half tablespoon of allspice, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a third cup of sugar, and I mixed it all together and put it into the pie crust. Next, I added the sugar cookie mix into a bowl and added 4 tablespoons of butter, and then kind of mushed it around and just stirred it around so it was kind of crumbly like this. I added the crumble to the top and I baked it for about 30 minutes at 375, and this is how it came out. It was really good, and it would be so great with some vanilla ice cream.
Oh yeah, that looked really good. Put a dab of ice cream a la mode. Put a dab of ice cream on top. I love, love, love a good apple dessert. Apple dumplings, apple pie, apple crumb cake, apple cobbler. I need to stop. But I do have a sweet tooth. But that was really good. Would you try it? Would you try any of these recipes so far? Now, when you go on the Dollar Tree and you in that dessert aisle or the bakery section, baking aisle, I should say, they have cake packets, they have cookie packets, they have cake boxes, cake frosting, all the things you need to make cakes and cookies at home. So she also has some other videos about some dessert ideas from Dollar Tree. She didn't share what she was making, but it's a good idea. It's probably going to be, well, let's take a guess what we think it is.
I heard y'all looking for some dessert ideas. So since I'm off today, let's have some fun. We're going to go into the Dollar Tree and see what we can find. I'm going to try to keep it under $5, but y'all know it's the $1.25 tree. So I don't know. Let's see what we can get. Okay, so let's freestyle it because you never know what you're going to find in the, apple pie filling, caramel. I got it. Let's go. Let me go ahead and get out of here before I overspend as usual. So we left out the $1.25 tree. I got a little bit beside myself, okay? Because we still need eggs and butter, so I'm off to the ShopRite. But we still going to keep this under $8. I got y'all. Let's go to ShopRite. So I already have butter. I need eggs. And I forgot eggs were so expensive. Why is the brown eggs cheap? Don't y'all judge my tasty cakes. That's what my baby like. All right, y'all, stay focused. We got our cake mix. We got our apple pie filling. We got caramel. We got eggs and butter. And we did it for under $8. What am I making?
What is she making? What y'all think she making? What you think she gonna make? Cake mix, apple pie filling, caramel sauce, and the eggs and butter. I'm thinking she gonna make an apple cake with some caramel drizzle on it. I don't know. But that could be the case. I have to check out her next video, but put your guess in the comments and let's see what you think. What you think she gonna make. So I just wanted to make sure that I shared this with you since I talked about struggle meals and I talked about grocery prices and empty ports and all those things regarding budgets. I wanted to share some recipes with you that will be budget friendly and that look like they was gonna be a little tasty as well. So I'm ending it with a sweet note of the desserts. Let me know if you're going to try some. Let me know if you have some recipes that you want to share with us. Let me know. Put it in the comments. And I appreciate it. Lots of other people will appreciate it too. Thank you so much for being here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Oh, did I not say subscribe? Budgets are changing. And that impacts how much you pay for food. That impacts how much you pay for... Y'all hear it? Y'all hear the birds? So on my last video, I talked about groceries. I talked about budget meals. But I think I included... Hold on. You still gotta eat. So even though our budgets are changing... Your budget is changing. My budget is changing. We still gotta eat. So I saw some recipes, some budget-friendly recipes on TikTok, and I want to share them here. Can I talk? I saw some recipes that were like budget-friendly, and I want to share them with you. Take a look at these videos.
We made apple pie cookie cups.